Hello students, welcome back. So finally we have come to our last and fourth part of Unit 9, Carry Out Food and Beverage Service in Guest Room. The learning objectives from this session will be: describe the procedures for setting up the various VIP amenities. So here we will be learning about the guidelines when setting up the VIP amenities and carrying up these amenities up to the guest room. So, what are amenities? Amenities are service or items offered to guests or placed in the guest room or bathroom for the convenience of the guest with no extra cost. That means some items or some services which we offer or provide to guests on their demand without taking any extra payment for them. For example, in a room, if a guest wants, we provide ironing facility, we provide shoe shining facility, we provide extra pillows, and in bathroom we provide dental kit, shower kit. All these are the extra amenities which we provide to guests without taking any extra charges. Same in VIP amenities, we provide some list of items when the guest arrive. For example, a fruit basket, a bottle of champagne or wine, cookies or chocolates. And now, why these amenities need to be provided to guests? Normally, amenities are provided to guests because there are large competitions in the market and to give customer a wow factor or to feel that the guest will be satisfied and to attract more and more business in the hotel performs some extra services or provides some amenities so that the guest will ensure that he gets the high experience during his stay in the hotel. Procedures for setting up various VIP amenities. So, what are VIP amenities? VIP amenities may be fruit basket, chocolates, freshly baked bread, cookies, bottle of wine, champagne, or maybe flower bouquet. But presenting the VIP amenity to the guest is more important. So here we need to follow some guidelines. First is prepare amenity trolley. The trolley or the tray which you will be carrying up to the guest room must be clean and organized. Ensure that tablecloth is neatly placed on the tray or the trolley. Second is servers are to make use of D&D cards. Now D&D cards means do not disturb cards. If a guest put a D&D card on the doorknob of their room, just do not disturb them. Ensure that the server must collect the D&D cards from the guest room at the night time and take it to the IRT department and prepare breakfast according to the note given by the guest and serve it only at the scheduled time given by the guest. Make sure you have to check the room number and the name of the guest is present on the D&D cards. Third is server to follow SOP on entering guest room. Now what are SOP? That means Standard Operating Procedures. These procedures are some guidelines which a hotel make, like a policy which each and every server or person working in the hotel must follow. So here the server have to follow the standard operating procedures before entering guest room. Like if he wants to serve something in the room, he must announce his presence by telling in-room dining department and knock the door only for 3 times. Server to greet the guest. If the guest opens the door, then you must greet, make a smile and make an eye contact with the guest. Server to aware guest about delivery of complimentary amenity. Announce the guest about the complimentary amenity that the hotel is offering to the guest. So these are the procedures which a server have to follow when presenting the VIP amenities to the. So students, I hope you have understood this session. Thank you.